You are showing someone around your home. As you hear each sound effect, show him into the suggested room.
Showing kitchen. Show in kitchen. Show in type big. Show in type big. Show in room C. Show in room C. Show in room cattle. Show in room cattle.
Instead of the roundup, 2 general house discussions. We'll come back to the new vocabulary afterwards.
Hig of Jech.
Capelief. Je ha huas yn steire.
Ha da raum cadil.
Agus je ha hias yn steire.
Ha raum sui, type big, agus kitchen big.
Glefa.
Catja wil Mari.
Ha jansen raum sui.
Catjan jacht dahat.
Vai ski, ha jansen jebi.
Die ha huas and steire. What's upstairs? Ha da room cattle. There are 2 bedrooms.
Catjan jach daher. Where did your father go? Va ski. He was tired. Ha ounsen leppy. In bed. Ounsen leppy. Ounsen leppy.
Hig of Jech.
Capelief. Je ha huas yn steire.
Ha da raum cadil.
Agus je ha hias yn steire.
Ha raum sui, type big, agus kitchen big.
Glefa.
Catja wil Mari.
Ha jansen raum sui.
Catjan jacht dahat.
Vai ski, ha jansen jebi.
This unit will be dealing with money.
We're starting with pence. The word for pence or penny is skilling. Skilling. And it never changes.
Hami geri take skilling.
Jech skilling, Kerson.
Hami geri sweeties.
So Jech skilling. Skilling. Da skilling. 3 skilling. Kehel skilling. Koek skilling. Shea skilling. Shach skilling. Och skilling. Now skilling. Jech skilling.
Note that if you are saying 1 penny, you don't need to say the word un. Skilling by itself is enough. Eishtev riesht.
Ha mi gyrru dich skilling?
Jech skilling, Kerson.
Ha mi gyrru sweeties?
Sio jech skilling. Skilling. Da skilling. Tri skilling. Gehed skilling. Kog skilling. Shia skilling. Shach skilling. Och skilling. No skilling. Jech skilling.
Pounds up to 10 are just as easy except that the word for pound, nocht, changes to nochtichen after 2. Over to the bank, gan vanke.
Fisker ma.
Fesker ma. Ha mi gyrru jech notichen ma se tolle.
Sure. Nacht, da nacht, 3 nachtichen, keher nachtichen, koig nachtichen, shia nachtichen, shech nachtichen, och nachtichen, nu nachtichen, agus jich nachtichen.
Tapeliv. Chimie marachshiv.
Note again if you're saying 1 pound that you don't need to use un. The word nocht by itself is enough. Eistrev.
Fisker ma.
Fesker ma. Ha mi gyrru jech notichen ma se tolle.
Sure. Nacht, da nacht, 3 nachtichen, keher nachtichen, koig nachtichen, shia nachtichen, shech nachtichen, och nachtichen, nu nachtichen, agus jich nachtichen.
Tapeliv. Chimie marachshiv.
You're working on a stall, and you'll be asked the question, Jay high, how much is it? Jay high, several times. Give the amounts suggested.
Jay high.
£5.
Koig nochtichen. Ta believe. Jay high.
3 pence.
3 skilling. Ta believe. Jay high.
£2.
Da nocht. Ta believe. Jay high.
7 pence.
Shech skilling. Ta believe. Jay high.
£10.
Jich nochtichen. Ta believe.
It seems everyone's looking for money.
Ha mi a giori da not ma se tolle.
Jay hurstu?
Ha mi a giori da not.
Kaatje wil u dollar nog?
Jan valle.
Kerst? Shot da not. Jay hurstu? What did you say? It seems a very cheap night on the town.
Ha mi a giori da not ma se tolle.
Jay hurstu?
Ha mi a giori da not.
Kaatje wil u dollar nog?
Jan valle.
Kerst? Shot da not.
Hashin sur. That's cheap. Hashin sur. Sur. Hashin sur.
Deer is duur. Duur. Hashin duur. Hashin duur.